There are some partnerships that are about business, and then there are partnerships that are about protecting something far bigger than business: wildlife, biodiversity, and natural world. On that note, Indonesia has announced a major new wildlife health and conservation partnership with Vantara, the wildlife conservation initiative founded by Anant Ambani in collaboration with Indonesian wildlife organization Fauna Land. And the focus here is very much on taking expertise out into the field where wild animals actually need it. The partnership will begin with capacity building programs for elephant caregivers, veterinarians, and wildlife officials across Indonesia. Then there are what could become something of a mobile emergency response team for wildlife. 10 hospitals on wheels designed to provide veterinary care to wild animals in their natural habitats or in situ. There is also a major upgrade planned for the Way of Kambas Elephant Hospital. It will be transformed into an elephant treatment and care center with advanced equipment, tools, and technologies. And the numbers are significant. The upgraded center is expected to support 62 Sumatran elephants under human care, while also serving nearly 100 wild Sumatran elephants in the surrounding landscape. For Indonesia, this is about strengthening its own conservation infrastructure and expertise. For Vantara, it is an opportunity to take the experience and capabilities developed at its Jamnagar facility and share them internationally, particularly in veterinary care, animal husbandry, rehabilitation, and wildlife health. And importantly, the Indonesian government says that the facilities and programs under this cooperation will remain owned, operated, and managed by Indonesian government and its relevant authorities. The wider cooperation goes beyond elephants too, covering wildlife health, animal welfare, conservation, breeding, rehabilitation, rewilding, and capacity building. So this isn't simply about building a hospital or sending equipment. It is about building local capability, training people, strengthening infrastructure, and taking veterinary cases closer to wildlife in the wild. Indonesia is one of the world's greatest biodiversity hotspots, home to extraordinary species and ecosystems, and the bigger conservation challenge is always the same. How do you protect wildlife not just inside facilities but where animals naturally live? That is where the partnership hopes to make a difference. A collaboration between Indonesia's Conservation Authority, Fauna Land, and Vantara, bringing together local knowledge, government infrastructure, and specialist wildlife expertise. A partnership with a simple ambition: better care for wildlife closer to where wildlife belongs.